Kia ora whānau, we've finally released our DTF transfers. These are heat transferable decals that have been printed onto film for easy application. I'm going to show you how to apply these to a hoodie that we got from AS Colour. You will need a towel, an iron with the steam setting turned off, your clothing item of choice, we have a hoodie, the DTF transfer and baking paper, and I will show you how to do all of this with an iron, no heat press needed, and you'll end up with a beautiful design on your hoodie that will withstand the washing machine and wear and tear, especially when you have an 8-year-old wearing it every day, all day. To start, you're going to iron the part of your clothing item you are going to apply the DTF transfer to. Line up the transfer, place the baking paper over top and press firmly with an iron on medium to high heat for 10 to 20 seconds. Make sure to lift and reposition the iron to get all parts of the transfer. When the transfer is cool to the touch, you're going to peel the top film off, put the baking paper back on and pass over the design once more to make sure all corners are adhered to the hoodie. And it's that easy. These are so easy to apply and a great way to revamp a plain boring item and a great way to customize a favorite t-shirt or a favorite item.